Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor with the IRS. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the options to resolve your IRS tax debt. Yes, I have a red face. Please ask me, Michael, why do you have a red face? Well, I have a red face because I used FUDEX. FUDEX goes ahead and burns all the dead cells off your face. It's the first time I used it in like 73 years. God, it's done a number on me. This is day 12. So if you're going to use FUDEX, just be prepared. It's not going to clear up, but my face is going to look like a baby's ass. Anyway, I've been doing this for 50 years. I am an expert in all IRS resolution matters. I've been on national TV many, many times. The press goes to me and wants to know my thoughts on IRS stuff going on. Go to my website at 777irs.com. You can learn more about me and you can learn about my team, which is really most important. There are three ways you can resolve your, well, there's kind of five ways, I guess, to resolve your IRS debts. You can file a bankruptcy, a Chapter 7. The debt will go away. If your taxes are 3 years or older, your tax return has been filed for 2 years, and they've been assessed for 240 days. See a bankruptcy attorney, but I don't really recommend bankruptcy. It's a stain. It stays on you with you forever. They say it doesn't, but it kind of does. But anyway, that's one way to discharge your debt. The statute of limitations could expire. The 10-year statute of limitations can expire on your case. Go to your irs.gov portal, find out how long the statute is. After 10 years, if you didn't file an offer or file a CDP or a couple things, your statute will expire after 10 years. The other thing that can go away is IRS can look at your case now. They'll take a financial statement and say, we got to put them in currently non-collectible or hardship because they can't afford to pay. That's probably 40% of all my cases end up in currently non-collectible because people cannot pay. Then the next is the payment agreement. That's number 4. So you've had what? The bankruptcy, you've had the hardship, the currently non-collectible, the statute, and now you got the payment agreement. If you want to make payments, one is you can go online and make a payment plan, but if you can't make an amortized payment over the 6 years and you need some adjustments, that's when you're going to need to call someone because it really gets tricky, and you may not want to do that by yourself, but you can take your chances. You can call the 1-800 number. And then lastly, you can file an offer and compromise to try to settle your debt. Make sure you're eligible. That's when the tax ripoffs start, is when people start thinking, hey, I heard this letter, I'm going to make a knee-jerk reaction. And these people said, I can settle my tax debt for pennies and a dollar. Whoa, 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 you're talking to a salesperson. Don't do that. 95% of all these videos that you see are by script and people who don't know what they're talking about. I've been doing this 50 years. I'm telling you, they don't know what they're talking about. I've worked offers and compromise. Peter Salinger, my team has worked 3,500. We're experts in the offer and compromise debt settlement program. So if you're thinking about filing an offer, we'll look at your financial statement for free to find out if you're eligible. If not, we don't work it. Anyway, those are the 5 ways. Make sure your tax returns are filed. If you need me, you know where to get a hold of me. Thank you for listening. Hey, give me a subscription. It's really cool. YouTube values us, by the way. That's why we ask for subscriptions. The more people subscribe, the more it puts us up in the standings. Thank you. My red face will be gone in 10 days. Thank you.